If I told you that a team was down 3 goals in soccer, 50 minutes into a game,
Okay.
there was a, let's say, a lightning strike that stopped the game, and then it was deemed safe for play again. But then one team decides they're not getting off the bus and refuses to play because they're down 3-0. And then that team ends up getting a no contest in the game because of an obscure rule to avoid what actually happened on the field. What would you say about that?
I would say that sounds pretty scandalous. Who would do that?
What do you mean? That's what Colorado State would do, because that's what they did to the University of Colorado. Down 3 goals, 50 minutes into a soccer match. It gets postponed for lightning. Teams go to the buses. When Colorado State, when it's time to come back off the bus, they cite a rule that says that they don't that says that if you don't play at least 70 minutes of the game, then it doesn't count. And instead of coming back off the bus and playing an additional 20 minutes, they refuse to get off. This is weak as hell, Ralph. Weak as hell.
Is it, or is it crafty? Because
It's
it feels like the video game thing of where you like accidentally bump the system reset button when you're down 3 touchdowns in Madden. Like,
yeah,
oh, I guess we'll know who's
I
gonna
get
win the
yeah.
game.
Dude, they scored. Colorado scored 3 goals by 3 different players in the first 28 minutes of the game. This is the first game of the season, and then they pulled this out of their ass, bro. This reminds me? Like first of all, it's super weak. The audacity that you have to be like, no, we're not getting off the bus. You should have to forfeit. There is no way that you should be allowed to get away with this.